In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community on WhatsApp Web if you've ever wanted to bring together different group chats under one umbrella for easier management and collaboration. This feature is exactly what you need. Now, let's jump right in and get started. First up, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll notice a plus sign at the very top. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is your gateway to kickstarting the creation of your new community. Once you've hit the plus sign, you'll see an option that says New Community. Click on this option. Communities on WhatsApp Web allow you to bring together related group chats, so think of it as organizing your chats much like folders on a computer. After you've selected New Community, a new screen will appear, prompting you to get started. This is your cue to click on Get Started. Now, this is where you start putting your community into shape. You'll need to think about what your community will be called. In the designated box, type in the name for your community. Try to pick a name that is descriptive and easy to remember, something that will resonate with the members you're planning to invite. Once you've decided on a fitting name, look for the Create button and click it. This is the moment where your vision begins to take form and you officially set up your WhatsApp community. Now comes another crucial part. Adding groups to your community. After clicking Create, you'll see the option to Add Group. Click on this to proceed to the next stage. A community is made alive by the groups it houses, and here you have two choices. You can choose between adding an existing group or creating a new one. If you opt for an existing group, follow the on-screen prompts to select from groups you are already a part of. Alternatively, if your community requires the formation of a brand new group, go ahead and start the process here. Follow the instructions that will help you to either name the new group, add members, and customize it to your liking. To wrap up these simple but essential steps, ensure that each group you want to include is finalized through the screen prompts that guide you through the process. It's really that straightforward. By following these steps, you can now create a space on WhatsApp Web where conversations can flow smoothly across related yet distinct groups. Whether you are coordinating a project, staying connected with family, or managing a team, the community feature